What do you do with your bucket? Put it on your head. Declan, it's only a helmet if it has a face mask. All the Legos, and he wants to play with an empty bucket. Please don't try to climb on top of it.
Yep. Here he goes.
It's gonna hurt when you fall. I ain't gonna stop you. Go for it. Stand up there. Yeah, you're scared. Yeah.
Can you do it?
Oh, he can do it. Oh! He's gonna go backwards. Hey, you heard one of those people died, right?
Yeah. Now I know why.
You're gonna put your Legos back in your bucket? Jeez. What are you doing? He's like the dog that gets stuck with his head in a bucket.
He needs a bigger bucket.
Declan. Declan.
What?
Declan, over here.
Look at Daddy.
Declan. What are you doing?
Eating Legos.
Alright, buddy, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Declan.
You want to pull him apart?